So people ask me, Rob, you live in a lot of countries. What would you say is some of the qualities? If somebody's going to prepare to move overseas, what would be some of the qualities for that? Well, kind of a military mindset, I would say. I'm from the military. I work for the embassy a lot of times, but that kind of mindset is get it done. I'm just going to get it done. I'll figure it out. If you have those two mindsets, get it done, figure it out, you're way ahead of 95% of the people already in life, because most people don't have that. And self-reliance, you're self-reliant overseas. Everything's not going to be as you imagined it. Everything's not going to be like it is in your home country, which is why you're moving. But some people they don't have this, they don't have that, they don't have this. But they do have this. They do have beautiful beaches, mountains, and low cost of living. So remember why you're doing it. And you're not going to need a lot of things. And a lot of things you can pick up in country. Another thing is just have yourself a plan and work it out, and work out where you want to go, why you want to be there, what you really want. And a lot of time places I would move to, of course, I would visit first so I could really see what's going on, what's the lay of the land. And I hope that helps you.